Welcome to My Career Journey. Here's a quick video of how to get logged in from the Job Seeker portal. Visit your Detroit at Work account and enter in your Job Seeker credentials. If you don't yet have a Detroit at Work account, use this same page to sign up. Once you click I have an account, put in your email and password. From here, you'll land on the home page of the Job Seeker portal. Look for the button that says Plan My Career Journey. This is what it looks like in the platform. By having a Job Seeker account, you already have access to My Career Journey. Simply click this button and you are in. The first time you log in, you'll see this screen, and you'll need to select a primary location. This helps you get connected with the Career Center more quickly. If you're already connected to a Career Center, just go ahead and select that one as your primary location. If you aren't sure or aren't yet connected, please choose My Detroit at Work Career Center and click Select Location. Next, you'll see your About Me. Check your information on this page and make sure it's correct. If any information is incorrect or not available, go ahead and quickly fill it in. Click Save About Me. You'll then come to My Dashboard. Your dashboard is the place that will guide your career journey. Click Start on your first outcome and go ahead and get started. Thank you. For more information or questions, please reach out to Detroit at Work.